Good evening, Southeast Texas. No sugarcoating tonight. We know how much I love my sweets, but that forecast, we got to be pretty, straightforward on this forecast, especially with Tropical Storm Nicholas having some local impacts here within the next couple of days. So right now we are seeing some showers out there, pretty light. We were seeing some pretty heavy rainfall a couple hours ago, but it looks like overall it has cooled us down in temperatures. We're seeing 77 right now in Beaumont, lower 80s across the area. We've gotten about an inch here in Jefferson County and then up towards Hardin County, about 3/4 of an inch. Same for the lakes area. So not a lot of rainfall as we head into the overnight hours. We're going to still get scattering of showers and storms just because of that southerly flow. We got that tropical moisture coming in from the Gulf. So it looks like a flash flood watch is in effect until Wednesday morning, so be mindful of that. This is mostly all for the triangle into inland portions of Southeast Texas, so that's including Hardin County and southern portions of Jasper and Newton. It looks like for northern portions of Jasper, Newton, and Tyler counties, it is looking pretty good there, so it doesn't look like flash flood warning or watches are going to be in effect for there as of right now. So we are seeing that huge surge of moisture moving in, mostly for the entire Texas coast, so down from southern portions into the central Texas coast and here in Southeast Texas. So that is going to contribute to some of those showers that we are going to be seeing within the next couple of days. So here is Tropical Storm Nicholas here. It is sustaining about 40-mile-per-hour winds, and right now models are pretty much agreeing where this thing is going to go. It's already going to be impacting Brownsville, southern portions of the state by tomorrow, and then making landfall Tuesday is what it is forecasted to do. So let's see the National Hurricane Center's track. Looks like it will strengthen until about 65 miles per hour by tomorrow. It looks like afternoons before it makes landfall. So depending on if this thing does remain in the along the coastal waters, because of how warm those waters are, this could strengthen into a Cat 1 hurricane. It's not forecasted to do that just yet, but that's just another thing that we do want to keep in mind. So the longer it takes within the waters, then the more likely it could strengthen. So it looks like it will be a tropical storm as it does make landfall with 65-mile-per-hour winds near Port Aransas. On Tuesday afternoon, it will move inland, and Wednesday and Thursday, that's when we're going to get the most of the local impacts here. And it looks like it will be a tropical depression and then that remnant low by Thursday. But here's the thing, if this thing slows down or stalls at all, we could get potential heavy rainfall. We're already going to get that as we head into Tuesday. That looks like it's going to be kind of our heaviest of rainfall and our biggest threat. And then Wednesday, Thursday, though, if this storm slows down in any way, we could get those rainfall totals to bump up from 5 to 10 inches. So right now, rainfall totals, the Euro is showing about 5 to 8 inches. The GFS is going about 4 to 5 is what it's looking like. So maybe 6 inches, so 5 to 6. And this is from that range of today into Friday. So that's through that kind of that 5-day span. So, I mean, again, we haven't had a lot of rain. We could handle it the first couple of days, but if that storm slows down, it could be a potential problem for us. So 7 to 10 inches is what the Weather Prediction Center is going. Storm surge is also a threat for us, about 1 to 3 inches of, or feet of storm surge is possible, so we need to keep in mind of that. Tuesday morning, about a 20-30% chance of seeing 39-mile-per-hour winds or higher, so that's tropical storm force winds. And then it looks like Wednesday, that's not going to be a threat for us. So expect wind gusts to about 30 miles per hour, the highest 35 miles per hour Tuesday morning into Wednesday. And Thursday, we will be seeing gusts to 20 and 25 miles per hour. So it looks like pretty minimal impacts as of right now. So scattering of showers throughout this evening. We will see a drier morning, and then we'll start to see it come off the coast early morning into the later morning hours, mostly in the triangle, and a drier forecast up towards the lakes area. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we will get more rainfall as we head into Tuesday, and that's going to be mostly our heavier rainfall day as that storm does continue to prepare to make landfall on Tuesday. So we're going with about a 70% coverage for the triangle, 50% for the lakes area tonight. Heavy rain is possible throughout the overnight hours, but it's not going to be a huge washout. And then Monday's forecast, flash floods are possible. 80% coverage for the Triangle, 70 for the Lakes area. That may cool us down a bit for those temperatures. So expect heavy rainfall and flash flooding at least until Wednesday because of that flash flood watch being in effect until Wednesday morning. And as that storm does track off towards the east, then it looks like lower rain chances to end off our week.
Thank you very much, Christiane.